How to disable auto startup application on your Windows 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily disable auto opening application on your Windows 11. So if you are also using different types of application on your devices like laptop or PC, and you have been seeing these annoying applications automatically opening and making your performance slow on your laptop, then what you can do is just head over to search bar first and just search in for task manager. And once you search in for task manager, it will open this screen over here, and just click on this option over here which says startup application. So once you're inside here, all you have to do is just click on the unnecessary application which you don't want to enable automatically running on your PC or laptop, and just right click on it and you can disable it just like this. If it's taking high usage of your RAM, so it might slow up your PC performance just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.